In this video, I'm going to show you how to lock Instagram app on iPhone. I'm going to show you the simple method to lock your Instagram app without any delay. So just open your shortcut app. If you don't install, just go to App Store and install the shortcut app. It's an Apple app, so you don't need to worry about that. Just open the app. Then switch this to automation. Then tap Create Personal Automation. Now just scroll down a little bit. Then you can see this option app. Click that. Here make sure is opened is selected. Now tap choose. Here scroll down and select Instagram. Then click done. Next. Now tap this add action. On this search bar just type lock screen. Then you can see this option lock screen. Touch that. Now click next. Here turn off this ask before running. Don't ask. And make sure this notify when run also turned off. Then finally click done. Okay. Now minimize this. Now we need to hide the shortcut app. It's for extra safety. So just long press that. Then tap edit home screen. Now just click this minus icon and tap remove from home screen. Click done. After this you can see the shortcut apps on app library just like that, but you don't see that on home screen. Okay, let's test that. Just open your Instagram app. Without any delay the app was locked. Just show your Face ID. That's it. Once you show your Face ID or passcode, then it will be immediately unlocked. And this is how you can lock your Instagram app on iPhone. I hope this video helps. If it really helps, means leave a like and share this video with your friends and neighbors. Thanks for watching.